This week's project is to record a week of HelloFresh. So this week I ordered 3 meals from HelloFresh, and I like to get HelloFresh early in the week because I think that for me these meals are easier, so they're good when I have a busy schedule. So my box just arrived on the front porch, so I'm just going to try to catalog and chart everything this week. So step 1 is the box arrived. So how easy is that? Box. So after I get the box on my porch, don't even have to leave the house. Gotta open it and see what it is. So if you haven't seen how these are packaged, here you go. If you have, sorry to bore you, but so all the recipe cards come on top. So this week I'm gonna make peppercorn crusted ribeye steak, spinach ricotta ravioli, and southwestern stuffed peppers. So everything's in this insulated box. They've changed their packaging recently, so these are all. And then everything, all the vegetables, every recipe is in its own separate box, and the meat is underneath ice packs in separate containers. Well, actually, the raviolis and the meat, and it's still partially frozen. So if you ever wonder, can they really ship fresh meat? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. That's it. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge, and when I get to it, I'll try to show you.